सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। अद्यतनी कक्षा संख्या वर्तते 95-चतुश्शततमी 495th क्लास टुडे। गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः 25 श्लोकः पठितः। श्रीनिवास 25 श्लोकः पठितः। 95-चतुश्शततमी कक्षा वर्तते अद्य। परन्तु श्लोकस्य ये अंशाः सन्ति तेन कृताः सन्ति। आकाङ्क्षा कृता मन्ये। अन्वयार्थः पठनीयः, अनन्तरं व्याकरणांशाः, अभ्यासः अपि अनुवर्तते। अभ्यास इज फॉलोइंग एंड देन दीज अन्वया पदार्थ आर टू बी read out. Srinivas, yeah, before that last class we could not prepare this 173 page that kosha, I think. But how come, Srinivas, there is Sukruti starting? Kosha I did not write touch out. 173. Yeah, true. There is very little given here. Sukruti is explained. Sukrutam asya asti. Sukrutam asya asti iti Sukruti. This is innanta. Then it goes. Punyavan is punyam asya asti iti. So dhanyaha is explained. Dhanam labda. This labha dhatu trun. There is truch and trun suffixes. Like labdru, it becomes labdru. And in prathama labdha, the obtainer of money. Dhanyaha is one who has got the money. Dhana, dhanam labdha. This is not that labdha. Tanta, it is not tanta. That is why I have made it very clear. Labha, labdha. So labha trun. Labdha iti etasmin arte yat. So we have et is added and therefore you get dhanya. One who has got the wealth. Rasaha is a very popular word. Rasyate aswadyate iti. What is being tasted, what is being enjoyed is called rasaha. That is why we were discussing Shrungaradi rasas. Astaveva rasaha natye smutaha. According to Bharata, only 8, but Shantopi Navamo Rasaha, then another Rasa later on, Vatsalya Rasa, 10th Rasa, etc. There also, whatever Rasa we are talking of in the literature is identified by the Shastrakaras, they are all enjoyed. It's like Veera Rasa, you enjoy. It is enjoyed. Rasyate, Aswadyate. Hasya Rasa also we enjoy. Any comedy we enjoy. So these were long ago identified by our psychologist, namely Bharata Muni, that human being is a combination of so many 8 moods, 8 sentiments, rasas. He is not with one sentiment. Man cannot be happy with only one kind of rasa. He has to switch over to several rasas. That is why in our literature, in our cinema, in our entertainment, we keep the audience are kept moving from one rasa to another rasa. There may be one rasa very dominant, we discussed that. So that is it. Then bhayam, bhitihi, bhihi, all are having the same interpretation. Bibheti asmaditi bhayam. One who is afraid of this. Bibheti asmaditi bhayam. So bhaya is something from which everybody is, which scares everybody. Everybody is scared of. Like I told you one interpretation of fear. false entity appearing real like. So that is applicable to all these things. Viveti, and then vibheti asyaha iti bhiti. Bhiti shabda is strilinga. Bhaya shabda is napumsaka. So asmad applies to bhaya. Vibheti asyaha iti bhiti. Sadhvanam, there is one more word to this. Sadhun asyati iti sadhvanam, troubles the virtuous people. We discussed it in the last class. Asukshepani, to throw, to frighten, or frightening the virtuous people. At length I have explained that. Two more words not given in the book are daraha and trasaha, whose derivation follows as under. Daraha, Dhiryate asmaditi daraha. Darati bibheti asmaditi drubhaye. One is scared again. One is scared of this. Therefore it is called daraha. Trasaha, this is a very popular word. You may be knowing also. Trasa means threatening. The English word also sounds close. Trasa, threaten. Of course, tra is there. Trasanam trasaha. Frightening is trasa. Trasyanti asmad. People fear from this, due to this. Trasi udvege. So you have this first and fourth conjugation, to tremble, to fear. Trasati, trasyati. And 176.11 is also printed out. Punyavantaha srungaradi raseshu paradadishu siddhaha parada adishu siddhaha parangataha brahma साक्षात्कारवन्तः ते प्रसिद्धाः वाल्मीकि व्यास कालिदास प्रभृतयः कविश्रेष्ठाः जयन्ति. जयन्ति सुकृतिनो etc. is there in the poem. तादृशानां कवीश्वराणां कीर्तिशरीरे जरामरणजं भयं नैव भवति. There is no bhaya born of this. रससिद्धानां भौतिकशरीरे एव जरामरणजं भयं यदि न विद्यते. If the fear of Jaramaranaja is not there in the physical body of these great people. Yashash Sharire kim vaktavim. What to say about Yashash Sharire? It will not be there in the Yashash Sharire. Kavishwaranam Yashash Shariram Nityameva Tishtatiti Bhavaha. That is the intended meaning of the small poem which we studied. Jayanti te sukrutino rasasiddhaha kavishwaraha nasti yesham yashakkaye jaramaranajam bhayam. Iti. इदानीं श्रीनिवास अन्वयं पठतु. 178 पेज. विष्टप
कष्टहारिणी हरौ तुष्टे सति देहिना सच्चरितः सूनुः सती प्रियतमा प्रसादोन्मुखः स्वामी.
Yeah. Vishtapa nama jagat. Vishtapa kasta harini. Vishtapasya jagataha kastanam harini. Hariti. So the remover of the problems of this world. Vishtapa kasta harini harau. Hari is here called the remover. Hari means harati iti Hari also explained. One who removes the difficulties, the life problems of his devotees. Vishtapa kasta harini. Hari shabda here, harini. Like guni, hari. Vishtapa kasta harini harau. When the Hari, Lord Hari, who is the destroyer of the worldly problems, to stay sati, this is Sati Saptami, when he is pleased, when Lord Hari, who is the destroyer of all the problems of this material world, is pleased, Dehina Satchari, then Dehina means Jivatmana, by the individual soul, by the individual, when the Lord is pleased. What type of Lord? Already we have told about it. Sati Dehina, by the human being, Satcharitaha Sunuhu, a good behaved son will be obtained. When Lord Hari is pleased, who is the remover of all the problems, when he is being pleased, man gets a good son. Satcharitah sunuhu nama putraha labhyati. Evameva, in the similar way, Sati Priyatama, he gets Sati, a virtuous and beloved wife, Bharya. Priyatama Bharya api labhyati. Kada labhyate? Yada Vishtapa Kashtaharini Harau Tushte Sati. When the Lord Hari is being pleased. So, Satcharitaha Sunuhu labhyate, Sati Priyatama Bharya api labhyati. Tushte Sati. Then what more? Prasadonmukaha Swami. When the Lord Hari is pleased, Prasada Unmukaha Swami, a boss who is ready to do the favor, who is ready to help you out, not shout at you but help you out. Such a boss is also will be getting. Next.
Snigdham mitram avanchakaha
Parijanaha.
Nishkleshalesham manaha ruchiraha akaraha.
Okay, pause there. Then what are the things? Kani tatra labhyante ke tatra kani vastuni labhyante harau tushte sati vishtapa kashtahari harau tushte sati na kevalam sunuhu satcharitah sunuhu na kevalam sati bharya priyatama bharya prasadonmukah swami snigdham mitram atyantam snigdham mitram, a very loving and affectionate deeply friend also you will get. Avanchakaha parijanakaha, na vanchakaha avanchakaha, uncheating, unditching you can say, a servant who does not ditch you, rather, there's a colloquial we say, avanchakaha, non-treacherous servants, nishklesha lesham manaha, and you will also have a mind, nishklesha lesham, with no trace of tension. Nishklesha lesham, klesha lesham, kleshanam tatra lesha matram apina avasistam bhavati. So tadrusham manaha api labhyati. You will get a mind without any type of problem. Tension free, as we say, free from tension. Ruchiraha akaraha, and one gets a beautiful form, handsome personality one gets. Sthiraha
Nityavadatam mukhamcha samprapyate.
So not only that ruchiraha akaraha, lovely personality form, lovely physique. So I remember now when I say ruchiraha akaraha, one Mahakavi said, Srinivas, one should not be very arrogant about one's handsomeness, or if he is a man, if it is a woman, she should not be very arrogant about her beauty. After all, this beauty or that handsomeness are not the things which one develops on his own, isn't it? Beauty is coming from the parents. If somebody is very handsome, some actor, or somebody very handsome, good looking, some lady is very beautiful, what is the point there to be very arrogant about it? Because you have inherited this body after all. This body is a byproduct of your parents. They have given, because your parents were good looking, so you got a body, good looking body. So why should you be taking pride in that, he says, that Kavi says. Rather you take pride in whatever you achieve in life, like education, position, any position if you attain, you should be proud about it, like that. So here, ruchiraha akaraha, a lovely form, sthiraha vibhavaha, sthiraha, lasting, solid, not chanchala vibhava, na, sthiraha vibhava, very lasting, enduring fortune. They say Lakshmi chanchala, chala Lakshmi. Generally we say Lakshmi chala, chanchala. Lakshmi is very fickle. If it is with one person today, it may go to another person. How to make Lakshmi nischala, chanchala to nischala, sthira? God must be pleased because it is in his domain. Vishtapa कष्टहारिणी हरौ तुष्टे सति लक्ष्मीः अपि तत्र चञ्चला न भवति, स्थिरा भवति। विभवः नाम अत्र सम्पत्, लक्ष्मी एव। So you will get lasting, enduring, solid, firm fortune. That means you will be a fortunate man for a long time, like some of the people around the world. We will not name anybody. So, sthiraha vibhavaha vidyavadatam mukham. Vidyavadatam vidyaya shuddham mukham. A face which has been purified by education. So, vidyaya avadatam mukham. Effulgent, we are reading a poem now every day. Today also we read. Vidyanama narasya rupam adhikam. That is this. Vidyanama narasya adhikam rupam asti. Yadi vidyavan rupahinaha bhavati vidya tasmai tasya rupam vardhayati. Tadrushasya ruparhitasya purushasya सौंदर्यं वर्धयति. यदि सौंदर्यं नास्ति चेत् रूपं वर्धयति. अतः विद्यानाम पुरुषस्य अद्वितीयम् एवमस्ति. सो दैट इज विद्यावदातं मुखं च संप्राप्यते. ऑल दीज आर ऑब्टेन्ड व्हेन देयर इज अ कंडीशन. देयर इज अ कंडीशन. विष्टभ कष्टहारिणी हरौ तुष्टे सति. व्हेन द लॉर्ड when Hari, the remover of, the destroyer of all the problems of the world, is pleased. So, Chaturvidha bhajante mam sukritino Arjuna, artho, artharthi, jignasu, jnani, etc. Then, so 4 types of people pray to Lord. That is what Gita says. Arthaha, one who is afflicted. Artharthi, one who is after money. Jignasu, one who is wanting to know what's life like, and a gnani, and one who is interested in accumulating knowledge. So these 4 types of people are there who are supposed to go to pray God. So you can pray for money, you can pray for knowledge, you can pray for your affliction, removal of your affliction, but you must please that Hari. When Hari is pleased, all these things are there. Padartham Srinivas. Vishtapa Kashtaharini is coming first. Loka Dukkha Nashaki. So Vishtapa, as I said, Jagat, Kashta is Kashtanam Harta iti Harini. Hartari. Harau Sri Vishnu. Tushte Sati. Santushte Sati. There is no other way. When he is pleased. Dehina.
Shariravata Manushyena.
Shariravata, Shariravan iti shabdaha. Shariravan, Shariravantau, Shariravantah, Shariravantam, Shariravantau, Shariravantau, Shariravataha, Shariravata. That means one who has got a body, the embodied, Angla Bhashayam, by the embodied. What is given here?
Manushyena.
By a human being, that's of course. Shariravata Manushyena, a man who has got a form. Satcharitaha, Sadachari, a virtuous, well behaved. Sunuhu, son, we can say son. Putraha, Angla Bhashayam, son eva. Sati, a chaste woman. Priyatama, not only Sati but Priyatama, Priyapatni. Prasadonmukha, Suprasannaha, Prasada Unmukha. Very ready to favor. Suprasannaha Swami. Snigdham. Snehashilam. Mitram. Avanchakaha. Vishwasaniya. Apratarana Shilaha. Pratarana means cheating. Apratarana Shilaha. A man with no cheating tendency. Parijanaha. Seva. Nishklesha lesham. Atyanta dukkarahitam. Atyanta chintarahitam api. Dukkha chintarahitam. Manaha swantam chittam. Whatever you say. Ruchiraha. Manoharaha. Akaraha, akrutihi, that is form. Personality you can say form, lovely form. Sthiraha,
Thai.
Stahi, here imperishable is not that correct meaning, Srinivas. See, money is not imperishable. It perishes, everything perishes. So we can't say, but here sthiraha means sthiraha,
Stable.
not stable, lasting, enduring.
Oh.
Stable I said, but lasting, it lasts for a longer time. Like we have a concept of Chiranjeevi. Ashwathama, Balirvyaso, Hanuman, etc. Chirajeevinaha. So people think these Chiranjeevis are still living. No, they have a death. But they live longer than human beings. Mahabharata has clearly said somewhere, I wrote it in an article also, that they too will die, but longer time they die. They live. So they may live, like you take Parshurama, who lived in the Dwapara Yuga, who also lived in the Treta with Rama. He was with Ramachandra. You know, in Ramayana he comes to that character. In Mahabharata also he was with the Pandavas. So one person living through the age, from one age to, but he also has an end. Nobody is eternal. Nobody, that is the law of the nature here. Chiranjeevi should be understood in a lasting age, not eternal age. That is. So I would not like this imperishable translation. Vibhavaha, samruddhihi, sampattihi, wealth, prosperity, whatever you say. Vidyavatam, vidyavadatam,
Jnana Bhaswaram.
vidyaya shuddham, avadatam means shuddham, jnana bhaswaram. You know, knowledge brings glow in the face. We can see this is a subject to everybody's experience, Srinivas. You look at a very learned person and an unlearned person, and you can see the glow in the face of a learned person and not in the unlearned person. Mukham, asyam, face. Ananam, cha, tata, cha, and also samprapyati, samyak, labdhum, samyak, labdhum shakyati, can be obtained. These things can be obtained only Vishtapa Kashtaharini Harau Tushte Sati. That is the thing. Bhavartham Pata.
Jagadrakshake Deve Vishnu Prasanne
Satyeva
Jalaha Sadacharinam Sudam Pativratam Striyam Karunamayam Swaminam.
Okay. Jagadrakshake Deve Vishnu Prasanne Sati. When the protector of the world Vishnu is pleased, Satyeva, only when he is pleased, Janaha, man, Sadacharinam Sutam, man gets a well-behaved son, Pativratam Striyam, Pativratam Bharyam, Pativrata itself is Pativratam Striyam, a woman who is totally devoted to her husband, chaste wife, Karunamayam Swaminam, a very benevolent master,
Snehashilam Mitram Vishwasaneyam Parijanam Klesharahitam Chittam Sundarakrutim Sthiram Dhanam
Vidvatvam cha
Praptum
Shaknoti. So Snehashilam Mitram, he gets a very lovely and affectionate friend. Vishwasaniyam Parijanam, a dependable and believable, trustworthy servant. Klesharahitam Chittam, a mind. This is very important. We were discussing even before the class also. Klesha Rahitam Chittam. Mind should be pure. Mind should be free from all tensions. That is where yoga, the role of yoga comes in. Sundara Akrutim. Sundara Akrutim. Beautiful, lovely form. Even a physique, if one is, just now I was telling, if one is beautiful, one is handsome, then it is only a divine gift from the Sthiram Dhanam. So this is correct. Sthiram Dhanam. No, long lasting money, fortune will be there. Vidvatvam and knowledge. These things one gets. Praptum Shaknati. One will be able to obtain all this. All these things can be obtained by a human being if only Hari, who gratifies the desires and pleases the world is propitiated. That is understood. Vishtapaharini. Okay. Nidarsanam Srinivas. Vyakaranamsha Sandhaya. Satcharitaha.
Sat plus charitaha.
Shutva. Prasadonmukaha. Prasada unmukaha. Sthirascha.
Sthiraha plus cha visarga.
Sthirascha. Nishkaleshaha.
Nihi plus
Klesha.
visarga.
Vidyavadatam. Vidyavadatam. Avadatam. Shuddham. Vidyaya Shuddham Avadatam Dirghasandhi. Samasa. Quite a few, I think. Yeah. Vishtapa Kashtaharini. Kastam. So first stage Vishtapasya Kastam or Vishtapasya Kastani also can take.
Vishtapa Kastam Bharati iti Vishtapa Kashta Hari.
Hari.
Hari. Nitya Samasaha. Tasmin Vishtapa Kashta Hari.
Upapada Samasa also can say Vishtapa Kastam Harati iti Kumbham Karoti iti Kumbhakaraha. So it comes also in that. Like that, Tasmin in that Vishtapa Kashta Harini Saptami. Prasadonmukhaha.
Prasade Unmukhaha Prasadonmukhaha Saptami Tattva.
Prasade Unmukhaha, one who is favorable towards doing good, favor, prasada. Then Yasmat. Further is there?
No.
No, yeah. Nishkalesha Lesham.
Kleshasya leshaha, klesha leshaha, shashti tatpurusha.
I think there is a printing mistake here, Srinivas. Nishklesha. The etva is coming on lakara here. Nishklesha it is.
Kleshasya
leshaha, klesha leshaha.
shashti tatpurusha. Nirgataha
Klesha leshaha yasmat. So you understand tat that yasmat from which klesha leshaha, even the least problem, trouble, nirgataha left, has gone out. Klesha, that is how you understand. Klesha leshaha lesham, that is vidyavadatam.
Vidyaya avadatam tritiya tatpurusha.
Vidyavadatam. So this is one more should have been given here. Satcharita. Sat charitam yasya saha bhauri. Sat charitam yasya saha. Sat charitaha putraha. It is given sonuhu. Sat charitam yasya saha bhauri samasa. You can add up that. Krudanta Srinivas. Sat charitaha.
Sat plus char. Sat
Plus
ki upasarga.
Sat may not be. Sat is not. Chara is dhatu. Sat is a prefix here, but not exactly upasarga it is. Sajjana, Sat. What to see? Okay. Gai. Yeah.
Pra iti upasarga, sad iti dhatu, gai.
Yeah.
Snigdham, sniha iti dhatu, tantam.
Yeah. Vanchakaha.
Vancha plus vancha ki dhatu plus nich.
Nich means in Peranartha. Null. Yeah. Vanchayati iti vanchakaha. Then
Vibhu, vi iti upasarga, bho iti dhatu, visheshena bhavati iti vibhu.
Vibhuhu, vi iti upasarga, bhu iti dhatu, visheshena bhavati iti. Especially there, vibhuhu. Avadatam.
Ava iti upasarga, da iti dhatu, tanta.
Sat could be avyaya, Srinivas, it is an avyaya, taken as an avyaya. Okay, then Hari, तुष् तुष्टः
तुष्टः तुष् इति धातु
तान्त हारी हृ धातुः
धातु
निनि हारिन् हारिन् शब्द हारी दट इज हारि निनि तद्दितान्त एकमेव प्रियतमा प्रिय प्लस तमप अतिशयेन प्रिया एक्सीडिंगली लवली लवली प्रियतमा so this tama is usually in superlative degree superlative then we have kosha coming up sunuhu
आत्मजः तायः सूनुः
one second I bring my note or not somewhere I made a note forgotten 181 I think my note is missing somewhere. Okay, we'll see. We'll only read out. Next class. Sunuhu Atmajaha Tanayaha Sunuhu Atmanaha Jayate iti Atmanaha Atmajaha born from the self. Tanoho, so I don't know, I can't just guess, I will give you the correct version. Sati Sadhvi Pativrata. Sadhvi, these are for the virtuous lady. Prasadaha, Prasadastu Prasannata. Prasadaha, Prakrustena, from definition then, Sada, Sada. Prasannata, same meaning. Pleasure or pleasing. Vistapam, Vistapam Bhuvanam Jagat. These things, and then Avadatam, Avadataha Sito Gauro. The Avadataha. Sitaha means white, Gauraha means also white. Derivation part, I don't remember, Avadataha. So we'll see this derivation next class. That way I have already seen. Vishtapa, Kastaharini, Vishnu, Harau, etc. Now Abhyasa will do. Slokasya padachedam likata. Okay.
प्रियतमा स्वामी प्रसाद उन्मुखः स्निग्धं मित्रं अवञ्चकः परिजनः निष्क्लेशलेशं मनः आकारः रुचिरः स्थिरः च विभवः विद्यावदातं मुखं पृष्ठे विष्टपकष्टहारिणी हरौ सम्प्राप्यते देहिमा.
Okay, that is done. 2.2 is Yatha Nidesham Rupani. Akaranta Pullinga Prathama Ekavachana Rupani. Su Akaranta Sunu is not Akaranta Srinivas. Satcharitaha Prasadon Mukhaha Mitra Vanchakaha. Then sorry, Mitra Vancha. Mitra Vanchakaha Avanchakaha Parijanaha Akaraha Ruchiraha Sthiraha Vibhavaha. So just repeat. Satcharitaha iti ekam akaranta pullinga shabdaha. Dvitiyam Trutiyam Chaturtham Panchama Shashtam Saptamam Ashtama. So there are Ashtav Tatra Padani Santi. Ye यानि पदानि अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा एकवचने प्रयुक्तानि सन्ति शब्दाः सन्ति अथवा द्वितीय अंश अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा एकवचनं अकारांत नपुंस या आई थिंक दे आर देयर स्निग्धम इज वन मित्रम टू निष्क्लेश क्लेश फ्री
विद्यावदातम
yes 4 mukham 5 so repeating snigdham mitram nisklesha क्लेशं विद्यावदातं
मुखम्
मुखम् इति पंच अकारान्त नपुंसक शब्दाः पदानि सन्ति पुंलिंग सप्तमी एकवचन पदानि हाउ मेनी इज वांटिंग 3
एकवचनं
पुल्लिंग सप्तमी एकवचन I think 2 are found let us see
तुष्टे हरौ
तुष्टे हरौ
हारिणि
हारिणि या हारिणि तुष्टे हारिणि हरौ
हरौ
you can take tuste harini
हरौ
harau all the 3 are found krudanta rupani go to krudanta rupas
सच्चरितः
प्रसादः क्षम्यतां प्रसादः स्निग्धं वञ्चकः विभुः अवदातं तुष्टः हरि okay you can take that from there then श्लोकाधारेण रिक्तस्थानपूरणं सच्चरितः डैश संप्राप्यति कः वा सच्चरितः संप्राप्यते हरौ तुष्टे सति
सूनु
सूनुः पुत्रः इति सच्चरितः सूनुः संप्राप्यते देहिना डैश संप्राप्यते देहिना I think the whole thing comes here. The whole fits in. Yeah, that naturally, na? The whole poem comes in.
yeah
You begin with Vishtapakashta harini harau tuste sati.
सूनु सच्चरितः
Everything, yeah. You write the whole poem. Samprapyate iti. Manushyena dash samprapyate. Oh, why is he giving 2 times? Even to this, Srinivas, same thing. Manushena tatra dehina nama samanarthya. So both are same. We will go to the 4th point. Koshtakasthebhyaha padebhyaha uchita padam. Okay. Vishtapakashta harini dash tuste sati. Pick up the right word. Harau. Vishtapakashta harini harau tuste sati. Dehina dash parijanaha prapyati. अवंचकः सज्जनः मूर्खः अवंचकः देहिना अवंचकः परिजनः प्राप्यते विद्यावदातं मुखं डैश संप्राप्यते देहिना देवेन महात्मना देह सो वेरी सिंपल हरौ अवंचकः देहिना पंचमांशः समीचीन समीचीन देहिना सच्चरितः सूनुः संप्राप्यते सत्यं वा समीचीनम् प्रॉपर या हरौ तुष्टे सति देहिना प्रियतमा सति न प्राप्यति असमीचीनम विष्णु संतुष्टे सति मनुष्येन सर्वं प्राप्यते सत्यम समीचीनमपि विष्णु तुष्टे सति विग्रहवाक्यानि समासनाम च लिखत ओके विष्टपकष्टहारिणी विष्टपस्य कष्टं विष्टपकष्टस्य हारी
विष्टपकष्टं हरति
हरति ओके विष्टपकष्ट
कष्टं हरति इति विष्टपकष्टहारी तस्मिन् विष्टपकष्टहारिणी
ओके
षष्ठी तत्पुरुष एंड नित्य समास
प्रसादोन्मुखः
प्रसादे उन्मुखः प्रसादोन्मुखः सप्तमी तत्पुरुष
सप्तमी प्रसादे विद्यावदातं विद्यया तृतीया तत्पुरुष निष्क्लेशलेशं
क्लेशस्य लेशः
क्लेशलेशः
षष्ठी तत्पुरुष निर्गतः क्लेशलेशः यस्मात् बहुव्रीहिः तत् निष्क्लेशक्लेशः
क्लेशं निर्गतः क्लेशः यस्मात् तत् ओके निष्क्लेशलेशं संधिकरणं नामलेखनं सच्चरितः सेम प्रैक्टिस सच्चरितः श्रुत्वा सत् चित् सच्चिदानंद विषय सच्चिदानंद सच्चिदानंद या प्रसाद प्लस उन्मुखः गुणसंधि प्रसादोन्मुख स्थिरः च स्थिरश्च विसर्ग श्रुत्वा also it comes on both विद्या अवदातम
विद्यावदातम
विद्यावदातम सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि प्रदत्त पदानां विशेषणानि ओके सूनुः कीदृशः सूनुः व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सन सच्चरितः विशेषण एडजेक्टिव्स मनः निष्क्लेशलेशं निष्क्लेशलेशं मनः सती प्रियतमा सती आकारः कीदृशं विशेषणमस्य आकारशब्दस्य प्रयुक्तः रुचिरः सो रिपीट सूनुः सच्चरितः मनः निष्क्लेशलेशं सती प्रियतमा आकारः रुचिरः टू मोर अच्छा नेक्स्ट पेज इन दिस पेज आई थॉट स्वामी प्रसादोन्मुखः विभवः अच्छा योर नो 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 विभवः इज देयर ना श्रीनिवास यू जंप्ड स्थिरः विभवः मित्रं स्निग्धं मुखं विद्यावदातं परिजनः अवञ्चकः हरौ नो 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 विष्टपकष्टहारिणी that is the visheshana vishtapa kasthaharini harau so good this exercise vishtapa kasthaharini harau tushti sati dehina kim kim prapyate sanskruta you can list out there vishtapa
स्निग्धं मित्रं अवाञ्चकः परिजनः
अवञ्चकः not अवाञ्चकः
अवञ्चकः परिजनः निष्क्लेशलेशं मनः रुचिरः आकारः स्थिरः विभवः विद्यावदातं मुखं तुष्टे विष्टपकष्टहारिणी हरौ
that you can say विष्टपकष्टहारिणी हरौ तुष्टे सति एतानि सर्वाण्यपि प्राप्यन्ते that they can write now I need not help you श्लोकः नूतनः षड्विंशः श्लोकः श्रीनिवास पठतु प्राणाघात अच्छा you have to look into once just go through once
प्राणाघातं निवृत्तिः परधनहरणे संयमः सत्यवाक्यं काले शक्त्या प्रदानं युवतिजनकथा मूकभावः परेषां
श्रोतो विभंगो नो तृष्णा श्रोतो विभंगो
तृष्णास्रोतो विभंगो गुरुषु च विनयः सर्वभूतानुकम्पा सामान्यः सर्वशास्त्रेष्वनुपहतविधिः श्रेयसामेष पन्था
so Shraddhara Vrittam is there no this is not Shraddhara Vrittam this is not Shardulam not Shardulam so Padachedam will do Pranaghatat Nivrittihi Paradhanaharane Samyamaha Satya Vakyam Kale Shaktya Pradhanam Yuvati Jana Katha Mukha भावः परेषां तृष्णा स्रोतो विभंगः तृष्णा स्रोतो विभंगः गुरुषु च विनयः सर्वभूत अनुकंपा सामान्यः सर्वशास्त्रेषु अनुपहत विधिः श्रेयसाम् एषः पंथाः. So this is the Padacheda Srinivas. You have time?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Padaparichayam will complete. Pranaghatat
అకారంతకంగా పంచమి ఏకవచన కృదంత సమస్త పదం.
निवृत्तिः
ఇకారంత శ్రీలింగ ప్రథమ
ఏకవచనం.
కృదంత పదం నీ ఇతి ఉపసర్గ
ब्रूयि धातु तिन प्रत्यय परधरहरणि
అకారంత నపుంసక సప్తమి ఏకవచనం.
संयमः
అకారంత పుంలింగ ప్రథమ ఏకవచనం.
सत्यवाक्यं
అకారంత నపుంసక ప్రథమ ఏకవచనం.
काले
అకారంత పుంలింగ సప్తమి ఏకవచనం.
शक्त्या
ఇకారంత శ్రీలింగ తృతీయ ఏకవచన కృదంత పదం షట్ ఇతి ధాతు తిన్నంత.
प्रदानम्
అకారంత నపుంసక ప్రథమ ఏకవచనం.
युवतिजनकथामूखभावः
अकारांत पुंलिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम
परेषां.
परस इति शब्दः.
This is a mistake here, not shabda. Actually, para visheshana. Para. It is a visheshana and also akaranta, sarvanama shabda like it is used. Para shabda. So you say it is like adhara shabda, which is there in Shabda Manjaris. Para shabda.
अकारांत.
It is akaranta.
पुंलिंग होगी.
It can take visheshana, then it can take any. Parashaktihi. Parashaktihi. There is akaranta strilinga. It becomes paraha, paraparam. Tattvam param. Param tattvam. Parandhama. Trishulingeshu visheshana. So this paras, I think printing mistake. Sarvanama he has given correctly, but then paresham is shashti bahuvachana, that's okay. Trishna sroto vibhangah
अकारांत पुंलिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम
gurushu
उकारांत पुंलिंग सप्तमी बहुवचनम
cha avyayam vinayah akaranta
अकारांत
pulinga
पुंलिंग प्रथम एकवचनम
sarvabhutanukampa
आकारांत पुंलिंग प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम
samanyah
अकारांत पुंलिंग प्रथम एकवचनम
sarvashastreshu
अकारांत नपुंसक सप्तमी बहुवचन समस्त पदम
anupahata vidhihi akaranta pulinga
प्रथम एकवचन समस्त पदम
shreyasam
श्रेयस शब्द सकारांत नपुंसक
षष्ठी बहुवचनम श्रेयः श्रेयसी श्रेयांसि. So it goes श्रेयसः षष्ठी एकवचन श्रेयसोः श्रेयसाम् एषः एतत् शब्द.
शब्द सकारांत पुंलिंग प्रथम एकवचन सर्वनाम.
पंथाः पतिन शब्द नकारांत.
पुंलिंग प्रथम एकवचन.
पंथाः पंथानौ पंथानः. अत्र वयं स्थापयामः. शुभं भूयात्.